What's good? This is my bike. Started off up here. Got the black ODI grips. Got the blue Shadow Barons metal. Got the volume Cougar bars in black. 8.65 rise by 28. Perfect. Got the blue Shadow Ravager front load stem. Got the white Shadow Corvus headset. Spins pretty good. Got the volume black Mamba forks. Got the Shadow Raptor hub laced to an Alienation Skylark rim. On the right I got the Animal OG peg or a light, either one, it's still heavy, fuck it. Got the Shadow Little Ones peg with a Shadow Conspiracy hub guard. Pretty good, but it's kind of small, but fuck it. Main component, got a volume drifter frame, 21.8 long. Got a short back end, pretty good for tricks I can't do. Down here, got a Demolition Merit sprocket. Got some random 48 spline cranks off a stock bike. I don't remember. I got it from my friend. Demolition PC pedals. They're pretty good. Good bearings. Shadow Conspiracy half-link chain. Shadow Corvus bottom bracket over here. Highlighter blue. Got the Demolition DFAT seat. Then down here, got the Animal seat post. Like it tall, like my women. Animal light peg. Shadow Little Ones peg. Shadow hub guard. Then got a Shadow Raptor laced to an Alienation Skylark. And for my tire, I got the Demolition Momentum tires. 2.35 in the front, 2.20 or something like that in the back. It suits me well. Pretty smooth ride. Other than that, it's pretty set. That's my bicycle.